earn the dog tag, these boys and girls have remained silent since the flag was raised this morning. They had to create a talking stick, which you see lying in the sand around the fire. Because if they had something important to say, they only had 3 opportunities in which to do it throughout the day. They had to collect wood to build their own campfire. They had to start the fire with the flint and steel. They cooked over their fire. They extinguished that fire and then were asked to fill out a fire permit. Many of these boys and girls have been waiting since they were 4 and 5 years of old when they joined the Franke Park Day Camp in the Cherokee tribe. And they have looked forward to this day coming for a long time. Some of them, we hope, all of them, will remain with the camp and return next summer as a junior leader. And then 5 or 6 years as a CIT, where we are training them to one day be a counselor. It would be my pleasure to work with any of them when they reach the age of 18. How proud the late Dennis L. Gerlach would be to see so many boys and girls in the 73rd year of the day camp still earning the dog tag. This dog tag will forever tie them to the rich history that has made this camp so special for so many people throughout its history. We are so proud of them as a staff. We'd like you to give them a hand of applause as well.